When this boy couldn't take his brother's snoring anymore, he decided to take matters into his own hands. He carefully cut a piece of double-sided tape and stuck it gently over his brother's mouth without waking him. Even with the tape in place, his brother kept snoring. And what happens next will blow your mind. But before I show you, like and subscribe in the next 3 seconds for the best luck tomorrow.
3, 2, 1.
Put this emoji if you're amazed. Now watch as the tape inflates like a bubble with every loud snore until it bursts with a pop.